Hello guys, get ready with me. But part 1. Now let's brush my hair. So, I'm done brushing my hair and yung next I think putting this on. It's Hello Kitty but I like Romy more. But it's okay kasi galing siya sa lola ko / tawag ko mama. So, let's put it on. Okay guys, so nasuot ko na ang headband yata. Now, maglalagay na tayo ng Rice Pure Baby Lotion. So, let's put na. So, simutin natin ang nasa takip. Oh no, that's a bit too much. Okay, balik natin. Masyadong marami. Okay guys, now i-rub na natin. Okay guys, na-rub in ko na. So, kita nyo wala nang white lotion? Yeah, lotion. So, maglalagay naman tayo ng sunscreen. Let's lagay na. Okay, so last one. And then ito, i-rub natin dito. Now, let's rub it. It might take a while, but wait. Hey, it's gonna take a while. So guys, na-rub in ko na yung ano ulit tawag doon? Sunscreen. And then maglalagay naman tayo ng lip oil. Guys, wala siyang color, so hindi niyo siya makikita. Pero in real life, ma-color pink siya unti. So, I like na nakuha ko ng madami. Pero hindi ganun karami. Ito lang. It's in my surface kit. And then, ito. I always do this. So, marami din nilalagay ko. So, yeah. Pero guys, magpipink din yun mamaya. Wait lang. So guys, kakatanggal ko lang ng headband. And malapit na matapos ang timer. So, bye-bye!